Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, Little Fingers. I hope you all have a good week so far. This week, I'm going to share with you the unboxing of the 2.5 hard drive enclosure. What is an HDD enclosure? Well, it's a device or tool you use for your extra drives to be useful as your external storage device. In my case, I've upgraded my laptop's drive to SSD, so I end up having an extra hard disk drive. Instead of laying it on the side useless, I've decided to get an HDD enclosure online. I paid less than $10, including shipping fee, for the Orico 2.5 hard disk drive enclosure. In the box, you will find the 2.5 HDD enclosure, manual or guide, the 3.0 cable, 2 anti-shock pads, and a service card. This is a plug-and-play device. It has fast USB 3.0 interface, and it is compatible with Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you find this unboxing helpful in your next online purchase. See you in the next video for ways to use this HDD enclosure from Orico. And that's it for now. Once again, thank you for watching.